Hey you guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm making taco on this Tuesday, okay? I have my tomatoes I chopped, red onions, avocado, have my sour cream on deck, my Mexican style cheese, my taco sauce, and my lettuce. And usually I'm a hard taco shell person, but today I'm gonna do the soft shell. Okay, my meat is over here. Okay, so I'm gonna get this plated up and I will be right back. Okay, I got my meat all on my taco with cheese on here. So how is your day? Mine is going well so far. So far, you guys. So far, so good. Okay. And I'm going to add me a few tomatoes. It look like it want to rain, but I think it's coming from that wildfire. Red onions. Now you can put whatever you want on yours. I just like red onions. Okay. Sour cream. Do a dollop of Daisy. Yes, indeed. I hate when this happens. Okay, you guys. I'm gonna add a little of this on my avocado. And last but not least, and I'm gonna add a little hot sauce, you guys. Hold on. Okay. I hope you all can hear me because they want just a little hot sauce on mine. Okay, you guys. I finna eat. I finna get my Coca-Cola out. I love that with tacos as well as Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew is my favorite. So I thank you guys for watching, and I'm about to chow down. And bye-bye for now.